What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're back at it again with another video. You already know, working on the 2GR MR2. Slowly but surely, guys. If you don't recall, we started from the front and now we are in the interior. So we finished the front area, we cleaned out the engine bay, we did all the undercoating on the car, and now we are working on the interior because it's rough, it's nasty, it's ugly, and yeah, let's go. Dale. But before I show you the interior, I just want to show you this, man. Every time I walk by the car, I'm super proud of myself because, it looked super ugly. It looked super nasty. So it just makes me happy. Right now, it's super dirty. Don't worry about it. It's super dirty. And I did a little few scratches here. I don't know how. And yeah, super dirty. So don't mind that. And there's a whole bunch of glass everywhere. So you won't see me touching nothing. And that's when I removed the windshield. I went inside the driver's seat. I kicked it, and it just scattered everywhere. I don't know if you could tell, but those are pieces of glass. So this car needs a thorough cleaning before we do anything. We also have a whole bunch of glass here, somewhere here, around here. You won't tell. Oh, let's see if we can find some glass. Let's see. Oh, you see right there. There's a glass. Oh, you see what I'm talking about? Look. I'm telling you, you see? So there's glass everywhere. So, yeah, man, we just gotta clean it out, vacuum, clean out, paint, the whole 9 yards. But yeah, guys, this is how my interior is looking. This is how it's looking. And what we're gonna do today, we're gonna clean out, vacuum, wash it. We're gonna prime, wire wheel, prime, paint, and I think that's it for today. Anyways, enough talking. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this on camera or off camera, but it's going to be clean the next time we see it. So it's either a time lapse or a. And guys, we are done. Everything is cleaned. I wired wheeled all the surface rust, and it's looking pretty good. This black stuff is actually like, I don't know if it's paint or it's like dirt, like some type of grease, as you can see. But yeah, wired wheeled all the rust spots, and right there. And yeah, guys, subwoofers are out. This is passenger side. Radio's out. Let me go ahead and give you a closer look. That's how it's looking. I gotta re-clean this. I did it, but I didn't do a good job here. So I'm gonna redo that again tomorrow. And yeah, guys, as you can see, it's still drying. Cause we just with the water hose and whatnot. And wired wheeled pretty much everything. And yeah, that's what we got, guys. So tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and primer these spots and just hit it with some universal white paint, and then figure out this wiring, because you can see it's a whole bunch of wiring and it's just crazy. But yeah, guys, that's what I got. I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's going on, boys? We are done. I did a coat and a half on each panel. That's why you see a little bit of grayish from the primer, but it is what it is, man. Ain't nobody gonna see this. This is gonna be covered with carpet. So it was never intended to be a perfect job. This was more for me knowing that it's done, that it's clean, and it is what it is. I used the super white 040 paint, and man, these little guys are now super expensive. I remember this used to be $8, $9, 16 something. I bought 2 cans. I'm like, you know what? That's it. Gonna do what we can with what we have. Uh, Much better, you know. It is what it is. So everything is dried. I sprayed it down this afternoon. And here back here, we're just gonna clean it up. We're not gonna paint nothing here. I'm not spending $16, $17 on a little small can. Boys, now that we have a clean foundation, it's painted, it's looking decent, much better than before, much cleaner than before, of course. Now we're gonna start working on the interior. We are going to wrap everything in suede and carbon fiber just because we're not rich. We don't have real carbon fiber money. So we're gonna wrap it, and I'm gonna leave you guys a preview right here of what I'm working with and whatnot. But I'm super excited. Stay tuned. Comment, like, share. Put the notification bell on. You already know, the whole 9 yards. And I'm excited. The interior is going to take me a little longer. It's going to take me at least 2 weeks to have it all down packed. So once we get that done, I'll give you guys a heads up. So follow my Instagram, and you'll see it. You'll see it there. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Dale.